wabarakatuh. We are from grade 9C.
Introduce, my name is Siti Hawa Nurjana.
Yunisi,
Siti Alia.
Meliani.
We are here to make new bread popcorn. So let's go.
The ingredients are 3 shells of bread, 5 milligrams of vanilla milk, and 2 packs of Milo powder milk.
The dough is squared flat Teflon in a spatula.
The step: first cut the bread that has been prepared, then toast the bread until it dries. After roasting, leave and dry on a plate.
Then add the vanilla milk and add 2 packs of Milo powdered milk. Boil until it thickens. Then add the toasted bread when finished. Serve on a plate. It's finished.
That's all from yours. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum.